Hi everyone! Many of you use Telegram to chat with friends. But did you know you can also make money with it? I earn $5,000 a month and will tell you 6 easy ways to earn money using Telegram and turn it into a steady source of income. Paid membership Telegram channel. In a paid channel, you can sell your expert advice, reviews, trends, checklists, predictions, exclusive videos, and more. For example, Varlamov runs a private paid channel with about 2,000 subscribers, each paying €10 per month. This brings him about 20,000 euros every month. He shares travel photos and personal tours in his channel. Paid Telegram community. People love connecting with others who share their problems, interests, and values, which is why private paid communities are popular. For example, there is a Telegram community for entrepreneurs and executives with an entry fee of about $120. Sell your own products and services on Telegram channels. This is a great way if you have any type of product, like digital or SaaS. If not, create one. For example, Hina runs a Telegram channel called The Data School, where she sells data science courses. You can watch the full video on how to promote and monetize your Telegram channels by clicking the link below. Boost your income with Telegram. Sell sponsored ads. This is the method I use the most. Companies pay you a fixed fee to post an ad in your Telegram channel. I earn about $3,000 by placing ads on my Telegram channels. Earn money from Telegram ads. Whenever an ad is shown in your Telegram channel, you get 50% of what it costs. The more impressions you get, the more you will earn. You can mix free content with paid posts. Yes, people will pay if your content is valuable. For example, I recently set a price of $2 for one post and made sales. There were 6 ways to make money with Telegram. You can watch full video on promoting and monetizing Telegram channels by clicking the link below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.